We've got breaking news coming in. 16 persons have been rescued so far in the Uttarakhand avalanche, and at least 41 people are still trapped and awaiting rescue by the Indian Army, the NDRF and the ITBP, all of which are on site. Their men and machines are on site to try and ensure that a speedy rescue takes place, because as the time wears on, it's getting colder and the golden period for rescue wears thin. So this is in effect a race against time to rescue all. Hopefully all of them will be rescued. Here's the DG of the NDRF speaking.
NDRF की 4 टीमें ऑलरेडी हम लोगों ने मोबिलाइज कर दी हैं और माननीय गृह मंत्री जी खुद इस ऑपरेशन को बड़ा क्लोजली देख रहे हैं। उन्होंने मुझसे भी डीजी ITBP से और सभी लोगों से खुद बात की है और उसको बड़ा क्लोजली मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं। इसके अलावा NDRF के अलावा ITBP की टीम्स जो ऑलरेडी वहाँ लगी हुई हैं, आर्मी की टीम्स वहाँ लगी हुई हैं, वो ऑलरेडी ऑपरेशनल हैं और जो अभी तक का अपडेट है उसमें से 16 मजदूरों को ट्रेस कर लिया गया है, वो उनको सुरक्षित निकाल लिया गया।
And our defense correspondent Shivani Sharma is with me live for a very quick update on that, and we'll get you a ground view as well in a moment. Shivani, the army immediately mobilized. There are many army units and formations in and around the Chamoli area, and that is of course good news. And these are, mountain warfare specialists who are familiar with the very harsh and hostile terrain of Chamoli, Badrinath, and they are already on site, as we can see in these images.
Shiv, Joshimath, that happens to be the headquarters of the IBEX brigade, had mobilized 100 personnel since the information was received about this avalanche early morning today. And since then, we've been seeing in these pictures that how the equipment is being moved on foot by these soldiers. They're trying to rescue more and more lives out there, and including the ITBP, the NDRF, the SDRF, and the Border Road Organization. Yeah. All the resources are mobilized towards this site, the avalanche site, and they are trying, and definitely this is a race against time, as you mentioned. They are trying to save more lives in time.
It's a race against time because 41 persons are still trapped. And Shivani, you've been to some of these forward areas. The Border Roads Organization that comes under the Ministry of Defence is engaged in very crucial, very important infrastructure like roads and tunnels and bridges in these hostile forward areas. Apparently this is the Mana Pass area where a road or a tunnel was being built, and that's where these workers were contracted for infrastructure and earth-moving work when they got caught in that avalanche. So these are crucial projects, and these people who are trapped are very much heroes of India's security.
Certainly, Shiv, these are difficult areas, most difficult terrain where these Border Road Organization workers have been working hard around the year, despite the difficult weather situations, to give accessibility and mobility to the armed forces. And this was one such project in which these workers were involved. They were making a road at the border area. And this was a sudden avalanche because generally in this period of the year, such snowfalls are not expected. This was a sudden avalanche that happened today morning. And that's why another challenge also happened, that none of the air assets can be used for this avalanche. Had it been a normal weather situation, the air assets of the Army and the Air Force could have been pushed in action. But right now it's snowing continuously as we are getting these pictures. It's quite difficult for the air assets to assume action out there. So everything has to be done on land by the Army, the ITBP, the SDRF, NDRF, and those forces who are deployed out there, the Border Road Organization. We've been tracking such projects in most difficult areas, and this also happens to be one of a very difficult area, Shiv, where this work was going on. And now we can see that the roads have been cut off due to heavy sheets of snow. So this is a race against time in a challenging weather situation where the Army personnel along with the other agencies are trying to save more lives in time.
Shivani, thanks very much for that input. We'll keep coming back to you.